You decided to install the latest iOS 13 on your iPhone XS Max rolled out by Apple and realize that your Wi-Fi signal becomes intermittent and unstable. Your iPhone is connected to the network but it doesn't have an internet connection. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone XS Max does not have an internet connection even if it's connected to the network. First solution, restart your network device in your iPhone. Most of the time, when a problem like this happens, the problem can be with the network device. Thus the first thing you have to do is refresh the connection by rebooting your router or modem. Unplug your modem or router from the wall outlet or simply disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave it without power for a minute or two. While waiting, force restart your iPhone XS Max to refresh its memory and reload all its services. Going back to your network device, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet, or reconnect the cord to the main unit. When both devices are ready, let your phone reconnect to the network. If your iPhone still has poor Wi-Fi reception, move on to the next solution. Second solution, reset all network settings on your iPhone. After making sure that the problem isn't with your network device, the next thing you have to do is refresh all network or wireless services on your iPhone. You can do so by resetting all network settings. Don't worry, none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix network issues including this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.